It's Kim with Night Owl Nursery, and I had a request to do a video of all the noisy critters you hear in the background. And this is Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Hey, Zoe. This is our baby. And let me turn, it was too bright. And she is the youngest of the bunch. You can tell them hi. Huh? You can tell them hi. You want to show me do a trick? You want to turn upside down? You want to turn upside down and swing? Huh? Turn upside down and swing. Whee! Woo! You want to give Mama kisses? Kiss, kiss. No kisses? Okay, no kisses. But anyway, yeah, she's the baby of the bunch. And then we'll go over here and we will see Petey Pete. Hey, Petey Pete's. He is our blue front Amazon. Yeah, look, you gonna talk to him? Tell him hi. Tell him hello. Hello. Hello, baby. Now, when I video guys, they can't be quiet. But when I put the camera on them, they don't want to talk. Oh, okay. You gonna tell them hi? You gonna tell them hello? Huh? You gonna tell them hello? So no, I'm gonna run back there and hide. Okay, well, we'll move right along. Okay, come on, let's go see Milo. You wanna go see Milo? Let's go see Milo. And then here's Milo. Hi, Milo. Come here, baby. And he is our Quaker parrot. And he is the most talkative bird we have. He can sing songs, and he talks. He is really a fun character. Kiss, kiss. You can get kisses? Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Uh-huh. Are you funny? Are you funny? Can you look, you want to laugh? You're funny. Is that... No, you're just jibber-jabbering. Really, guys, he can talk. He really can. He just don't want to because the camera's on him. But anyway, so yeah, so that's my noisy bunch you hear when I'm trying to video. And so it's hard to find a quiet place. You want the bite? Okay, what you want? Yeah, but what do you want? Do you want peanut butter? I wish he would say it. He'll say peanut butter. And he'll say cracker. I know you want the bite. What do you want? Zoe, you want to show him how you can dance? Do 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 do. Got a little head bob thing going on. Look, do you love Mama? You love Mama? You love Mama? Huh? You love Mama? Oh, you're not going to answer me? Okay. Anyway, she looks a little rough. As you can see, she's getting new feathers coming in. So when they start that molting, I start to say mottling. And they get new feathers, you can see the casings on top of her head. So when she gets those, she'll be prettier again. But all right, guys. This is our 3 feathered babies. And like I say, I had a request to show them. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. And I love y'all, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. See, they won't do it. When I cut the camera off, they'll probably do it. All right, bye, guys.